What's up everybody, this is Matt from Backyard Lawn and Garden. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your first and last frost dates using the National Garden Association website. In order to do that, we'll open up the browser on our phone and go to garden.org. Once the page loads, in the upper right hand corner you can click on the hamburger menu, then click Tools, and then Frost Dates. Once that loads, we'll enter our zip code, hit continue, and then if you watch the video on Dave's Garden, you'll see that this is set up very similar, where it shows you the percent chance that you'll reach a particular temperature on a particular day. So in this case, I'll scroll down to 32 degrees on the first and last frost date. So on the last frost date in the spring, to get to 32 degrees, there's a 10% chance of frost on May 12th and a 90% chance of frost on April 14th. And that date, the percent chance of reaching that temperature gets less and less as you get further into spring. The same is true in the fall, where you can see I'll move down here to 32 degrees. On October 29th, it's 90%, where on October 1st, it's only 10%. And one thing to keep in mind on these frost dates is you really need to look at your local forecast so that you can see when you're going to be above 32 degrees in the spring and when you'll be below 32 degrees in the fall. And that will help you determine when your growing season can start and when it can end. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're looking for how to find your first and last frost date using Dave's Garden or the Farmer's Almanac website, I have other videos that you can watch on that. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.